I'm sure you guys remember me. Yes. You can barely see my head because the camera, I got so tall from, I used to record back in 3rd grade, and the first video I posted on this channel was Minecraft. And it really did good, 166 views. And I'm pretty sad that I left that channel. But I have a better channel, a way better channel, that has going up to 400 subs. I just hit 300. Mom, what time did I hit 300? Like how many weeks ago? Like a month? I don't know. I hit 300 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks. So I'm back to this channel, never leaving my new channel. But yeah. Well, new epic fail, right? Started off coming back and I dropped my fries.